Eh? When we say we have a duty, most likely there is a law imposing that duty upon us. Kaya ang tanong, saan mo nahugot yung konseptong ministerial duty ninyo? Why do you have a duty? What law gave you a duty na kung may mag-abot sa iyo ng papeles na may pirma, bibilangin mo ang signature? What law? And all they can cite is RA 6735. Tapos na ang usapan dyan. Alam na nila yun. Meron talaga magpa-file. Hindi ko lang alam if it's a Senate as an institution or individual senators. But merong magpa-file. Hindi na po maiiwasan ang resort to judicial processes. Kasi we really have to, ang design ng ating